In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Tradingview on your phone for analysis. Now, this is your Tradingview. So once you click your Tradingview, you are going to log in using your Google account or your email. So I've already logged in. Now you're going to see all these pairs here. So what you're going to do is to remove them. But first, let me change this thing from white to black because that's best my preferred color. So I'll just change it to black color. So I've changed it now to black because that's what I preferred. So how you know how I did it? I just came to this menu, bottom right. You came to the menu, bottom right. Then came to this setting, top right. Then I came to this theme. Then I changed it. I can change it back to light, right? But I prefer black, this dark color. Alright. So now let's come back to this watch list. So once you open your Tradingview, this is the first thing you will see. You see all these things here, they are pairs. They are pairs you trade on Forex. But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete all of them. So just come to this top left, more top left. Then you click on edit. So now what you're going to do now, you're going to just delete all of them. I see, delete all of them. So once you delete all of them, what you're going to do is to add the ones you want, right? All these pairs, I need to remove them so I can add the ones I want. So you just click the good. Now click this plus now. Click this plus icon now. Right? You now add the ones you want. SAUUSD. So I want to trade. Just go with O and O. This first one here. Right? This first one here is O and O. So go with it. Just click this plus. I've clicked it. The next one I want to trade is what? Let's say GBP USD. So I want to trade this one. O and O. Go with O and O. Right? O and O. So just click plus. Now, I also want to trade Ethereum. Right? Ethereum. Just go with Ethereum ETHUSD. So just go with O and O. Where is O and O? Okay, look at O and O here. This is O and O, but it is not written Ethereum. Alright, it is not written Ethereum. They just wrote Ether here, but it's not Ethereum. Alright, let's just go with IC market, Ethereum USD. Let's go with this one. IC market here. Let's just go with this plus. So we have chosen just 3 pairs. So look at the 3 pairs here that we have chosen. Right? So the next thing to do now, just come to this bottom, click chart. Now you're going to see this thing here. Are you seeing the chart here? So this chart here, if you look down here, bottom left, if you look down here now, you see that it's showing AAPL. But what we want is gold, that is SAUUSD. What we want is gold, that is SAUUSD. So this is our gold here. So if you want to shrink this thing, you just use your 2 hands to shrink it, or you just expand it, right? With your 2 hands, shrink it, expand it. If you want to make it short, you just come to this right hand side. You scroll down or scroll up at this right hand side, right? So that's how to do it. Now, the next thing to do now is this. I want to add my tools that I'm going to use. So come look down, you see this pencil icon here. So click this pencil icon. So now I've clicked the pencil icon. The next thing to do now is to add your tools that you're going to use. Now I'm going to use trend line. So press it, don't click it, press it, add to favorite. Horizontal line. Where is the horizontal line? Press it, add to favorite. Which one do I need again? None. So let's come to the next one. Let me start from the beginning. Visuals, I don't need this one. I can just choose the ones you need. The ones I need, they are not yet. Okay, I need this one, rectangle, rotated rectangle, and rectangle. Just add them to favorite. You might also need this arrow marker, but let me just add it. You might need this arrow marker, right? Let me add it. Add to favorite. Then the next one, So just choose the ones you like. Look, this is long position for buy. Why this is short position for what? Sell. Right? What again do we need? Then you come again. Patterns. Let's say that I need head and shoulder pattern. Right? Let's say that I need what again? Nothing here. Whatever you need, you choose. I'm choosing the one that I need. I don't need anyone here. I've already chosen this one. Choose. Okay. Don't need anyone here. So these are all my favorites here. When you come down here, you are going to see them here. Are you see them? Everything that's selected, they are all here. So now, I've shown you that one. Now, when you come down to this community, if you come down to this community, you see all these things here. You don't really need it when you are trading forex. You don't need it. All these things are just community. You don't really need it. This explore down here, you don't really need it. So my goal is just to show you what you need when you want to analyze with your phone. So my focus here is to teach you how to analyze with your phone, right? So your focus here is this chart, and this watch list. That is your two focus: chart and watch list. This explore community menu, you don't really need it except you want to come to this menu and change some kind of settings in this menu, right? But let's focus on this chart now. So the next thing I'm going to do now, if you want to analyze on your phone, turn your phone. So my phone is standing up. My phone is standing vertical now. Now turn your phone to stand horizontal. That is landscape. Are you seeing now? I've turned it. It's now landscape. You see what I did? So I've turned my phone. Now the next thing you're going to do now is this. Just you see just got it. Just come here. You see this box here. You see this box here. Bottom right. Click it. So that this thing can come down. Click so this thing can come down. Now it's not giving us more space. So now, if you look down here now, you are going to see. If you look down here now, you are going to see all these things here, right? All these things here. So we need to remove them. So just click on this place, top left. Click on this top left. You just click delete. So it is now deleted, right? So that's how to delete it. Now once you have deleted it, now the next thing to do now is just shrink this. Now shrink this. Once you shrink this now, then you just look down here now, bottom left, you will see intervals. Just click this 1 day. Now when you click it, you now see all these are your time frames. So just click 5-minute time frame, press it, add it to favorite, click 15 minutes time frame, press it, add it to favorite, press 30 minutes time frame, add it to favorite, press 1 hour time frame, add it to favorite, 4 hour time frame, add it, you press 1 day, add it. Alright, so we have added those things. So I added 5 minutes. So let me click it again. I added 5-minute time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame. I added 5 minutes time frame. Okay, 5-minute time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frames. You can see it here. 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, and 1 day. That's what I added. So you can see them here. Let's start from 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day. Let's start from the 1 day. Let's start from 1 day now. So now, once you start from this 1 day now, what you should do now is this. You see this trend line here, this one now is called what? Trend line. So click this trend line, just press it, click it. I'm clicking it, it's looking like it's not working. Let me click on another one. Why is this one not working? Okay, it have worked. So once you have clicked it, the icing is now working. So let me do it again. So what I'm going to do, just press this one, just click it. So click it to come out. Then you can now move it. Then when you release your hand, then press it. Then press it, push it up, or you can push it down, push it up. You understand? then you press outside. I see this thing can be too fat, so what you are going to do is look at it, 2 ps, so you can make it fatter, 4 ps, or make it thin, that is 1 ps. Can you see it? 4 ps is very thin, 3 ps, 2 ps. Let's go with 1 ps, the tiniest one. We can change it to maybe white color. I see, change it to white color. Then we can just click this basket here to delete it. Then if you want to bring it back, you click this replay, you click this undo, right? Click this undo, it is back. Click redo, click undo. So that's how to use that undo and redo. So maybe you mistakenly deleted something, or you mistakenly shake something, you can just press that undo and redo. So you put your trend line. Then once you put your trend line, then you click here. Are you seeing this one? Once you touch this thing now, this thing will pop up. You click this one, just click here, that 3 dots, you click on clone. So as I've clicked on clone now, next thing I'm going to do, you just click the second one that you just click it. Then once you click it, you just bring it this way. Bring it this way. Let's focus on what was happening, not what is happening. So what was happening was that there were touches that were happening here. So the trend line has been broken right now, and this is the daily time frame. So can you see that the trend line has been broken? But this is not our focus actually. So in the daily time frame, the daily time frame was a bullish movement, but currently it has broken that bullish movement, trying to form another trend, right? So now let's come to the 4-hour time frame. Just come down here, left, bottom left, change it to 4-hour time frame. So now, there's a breakout in that daily time frame. So there's a breakout in the daily time frame. So what I'm going to do now, you come to the 4-hour time frame, then you still draw that trend line again. Now that breakout is forming another trend in the 4-hour time frame. So the daily time frame was an uptrend, but currently the uptrend there's a breakout in the uptrend, trying to create a new trend in the 4-hour time frame, and that new trend is what? A downtrend. So just click these 3 dots here, you press clone. So clone, make it to be duplicated. So now this trend line will give us the trend direction. So now the daily time frame was an uptrend, but this 4-hour time frame is what? A downtrend, right? So can you see it's a downtrend? This is a 4-hour time frame, it's a downtrend, right? Now let's come to the 1-hour time frame. Now if you look at this 1-hour time frame now can you see this 1-hour time frame? This is the 1-hour time frame. So you can see the 4-hour time frame that we drew here. Hope you know why this thing is slow. It is slow because the network is not that fast. So now you can see what happened here. Now let me explain to you what happened here. Now I will explain to you what happened here now. So click on this head and shoulder pattern. You can see it here. So let me bring it one side here. Just click on this head and shoulder pattern. Hope you can see this head and shoulder pattern. So just click on it here. So now once you click on it, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's not enough. Okay, it's enough. I've seen it. Number is supposed to be 5. That's why I was saying not enough, but it's enough. Okay. Alright, so the candle moved from down here. Are you seeing? Why is this thing moving? Alright. Let's come back to the 4-hour time frame. This one is too tight here. Let's come down to the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame is going to give us a better vision of this. Now if you watch, the candle move from here and touch here, then came and touch here, then came and touch here, then came and touch here. So it's planning to come and touch here, then to now come and touch here. Are you seeing? So the candle moved from here, this particular point, then came and touched up here, right? Then came down and touched down here, then came up and touched up here, then now came down and touched down here. So we are expecting it to come and touch up here. So once it touch up here, what are we going to do? We are going to now come here now. You see short. You come to this short now. You come to this short now. Just click the short. So we now come here. Once the candle comes to this area now, let me adjust this thing. Once the candle comes to this area now, what are we going to this area now and touch this trend line? What are we going to do? We sell. So this is where we are going to sell, but it's not now because it has not yet touched. So we'll take our profits around this area now, right around here. Take our profit around here. So can you see how I drew my can you see how I drew it? So that is where we are going to sell. So you can see how I'm using all these tools on Tradingview with my phone, right? So what if the candle was here? What if the candle was here? Or let's say that what if as the candle reach here, let's say that the candle will get up here, instead of the candle to become a sell, it's now a buy. So what are we going to do? Click on long. So let's say it's a buy instead of a sell. Click on long. So long means buy. So you can now buy in this particular area. Once the candle have reached there, you now buy there and take your profit above here. But for now, you have not yet entered, right? So that's how to use your long and your short. So let's delete this thing. Can you see it? What if you don't want to use this trend line? You might want to use a zone. So you delete this trend line. Maybe you want to use a zone instead. Delete this trend line. You now use a zone instead. Use this rotate rectangle tool. So you just use it. You want to use it, you just click it, drag it, touch here, then open it. I see how I did it, right? Let me do it again. So just click this rotate rectangle. See the name, right? Rotate rectangle. So just click this rotate rectangle, then you click it, you drag it, you click it this side, then you now open it. I see how I did it. Then now click outside. So we have drawn it. So what I'm going to do now, so instead of us using that normal trend line, we might decide to use this. So let's come down to the 4-hour time frame so that we see it better. You can still stay on this 4-hour time. You can still stay on this 4-hour time frame and see it clearly, safe. So just expand it. So so now we can still use this. Maybe you don't want to use trend line, you want to use zone instead of trend line, right? So you can just mark this zone here, then mark out this zone here. So whenever the candle comes to this zone, what happens? It goes up. So you can mark out the top zone too. Just touch it, then you come here, touch here, you drag it, you touch here, you now open it, you click outside. So whenever the candle comes to this zone too, what happens? It will go down. So let's set up the zone. Alright, so you can see what is going on here now. So you can see this zone that we just drew now. So we just drew the zone. So can you see what is happening? Now let me use this again. Let me use this again. Yeah. So look at what happened here now. It came up here. Let me cancel it back. Okay. Let's just make it 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, it came from here. Let me just mark out this side. Let me just take it outside. So it came from here, it came up here and touched this zone. It came down here to this zone, then it came up to this zone, then it came down to this zone, then now it's gradually coming up to this zone. So what are we going to do now is to do what? So since it has, okay, this thing is rearranged. So it came up here, came down here, came up here, rearrange it, came down here, came down here. It's now gradually coming up here and it's going to also come down here. So you can see it here now. So the same thing here, it moved from down here, came up here, then came down here, then came up here, then came down here, then it's gradually coming up here and it's going to do what? Let's shift it. So since it have come up here now, the next thing that it's going to do is going to come down here. So that is what we're expecting it to do. So what are you going to do at this particular area now? You do what? You come to this short, just click this short and you do what? You sell and take a profit in this zone here. Put a stop loss above the zone. So you just enter in that zone. So you are doing what? You can see it here, risk to reward. I see the risk/reward ratio is what? 3.02. So when we enter around here now, we enter in this zone and we take our profit down this zone. So you can see how it is. So that is how you put you use your sell order and your buy order, that is short and long. So let's cancel it. So you can decide to use your trend line instead, right? So let me use trend line so that this place is not going to be filled up. Let me use trend line. I normally used to use trend line, not that zone. It depends on your strategy. Actually, it depends on your strategy. So I'm not here to teach you the strategy. I'm just here to show you how to use this app basically as a beginner. So you can see how I'm just drawing this stuff. So it gives me the trend direction, how the candlesticks are moving up and down, up and down. So now let's say that, look at this line here, it's called what? Horizontal line. So just click it. Now can you see how it is? This is horizontal line. I can place the horizontal line up here or place it down here. So I can use this horizontal line to mark out points. For example, I can just mark out this particular point here or mark out this particular point here, right? You can see that whenever price touches this line, something happens, right? So you can decide to use it in your analysis. Place it here for based on your own strategy, right? So now let's say that if price reach here, if price reach around this area, let's say that if price reach around this area, we're going to sell. But what if we're not going to be around to sell, right? So you just click on these three dots here, then you come to the setting. Just come to the setting. So once it takes you to the setting, just come to this coordinate, then you copy this number here. You just copy it. So you copy it. So let me just copy it. So I've copied it now. So you just come back. You can delete it since I've already copied it. So you now look down here, you see this alert management. So this thing that looks like clock, you click it. So you just click on create alert. So now once you have clicked that create alert, you just come to this number here. You paste the number that you copied. So you see it here, you paste it. So now you click outside. You now click create. So you can see the line is now out. Are you seeing the line? This particular area now. So when price gets to this particular area, what will happen? We are going to be alerted, right? so you can just delete it. When price get there, we'll be notified, so we can now come and do what? Place our sell order. But before you place your sell order, you need to be confirmed first. You need to wait for confirmation. Right? Now, if you look, let's come back here. If you look down here, you see this replay, bar replay. So just click it now. So let's just do start new. So if I've not used it before, just come and do replay here. So let's start from here and do our replay. Right? Our replay will start from here. 4 hour, 4 hour candle. So our replay will start from there. So look at what it says. It says try free for 30 days. So it is not actually free. You need to pay for it. So this is not in the free version. Most of the tools in this Tradingview are paid. But the basic thing you need for your normal analysis, the basic daily analysis, the tools you need for your basic analysis are already free. So those advanced ones, you can still do without them. But if you can pay for them, fine. Right? If you can pay for them, fine. So let's change our pair. Come bottom left, you can change to Ethereum. That is ETHUSD. Can you see I've changed it to Ethereum now? So now when you come up here now, you can see up here now, you click there, you're going to see that the market is what? Open. The market is open. Let's come to this gold. Let's come to gold. SAUUSD. Then you come to this top place here. You see that here, the market is what? The market is closed and it's going to open in the next 39 minutes. So can you see that gold is closed, but Ethereum is always open. Right? Ethereum is always open. So if you look at Ethereum now, let's come to the 5 minutes time frame on Ethereum. You will see. So let's increase it. Hope you saw I'm increasing it. So you can see how it's moving. Ethereum now. If you look at your right hand side, you see this time showing that the candle is moving. Now let's click here, bottom left. Just click on the bottom left, that time frame. Let's add 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. So let's add 1 minute time frame. Well, if you don't need this, if I know it's scalper, I don't need this. So I've added 1 minute time frame. Just come down. Let's come to see how the 1 minute time frame is moving. So this is the 1 minute time frame. It's not even moving. The market is just as if it's standing still. Can you see now? It's as if it's not moving. Now there's something that I've not yet showed you. Let's come back to that SAUUSD. That's gold. Let's come back to that gold. So now when you come to this gold now, let's come back to that 4 hour time frame. Now when you come to this gold now, there's one tool I want to show you. Right? You see all this analysis I'm doing, this trailing analysis. Maybe your own analysis might not be the same with my own, but I'm just giving you the basics. Right? So when you click this arrow here, right? Click it. So when you click this arrow, so you can just use it now. Okay. Now we are waiting for the price to do what? Come and touch this line. Right? Once the price comes up and touch this line, then let me duplicate this thing. Then when the price touches that line, we'll do what? Wait for a confirmation. Once we see a confirmation that it is going down, what are we going to do? We'll now do what? Sell and take profit at this next trend line. Are you seeing it now? So I use this arrow to give myself information of what I'm expecting the chart to do. Right? So let me delete it. So you should know how to use all these tools. What I'm just giving you now is the basic tools that you need. The basic tools that you need to trade. Now let's come to the 1 hour time frame now. So this is how the 1 hour time frame looks like. Right? Then you can just come to this trend line. and just mark it like this. Just mark here and mark here, right? So you should already know how to use all these tools. Now let me turn this thing back, so you see how it looks in this format. Are you seeing how it's looking like this? So like this now, you might not get a proper view of your chart when you put it at this position. So you can see this position now. This is the 1 day time frame coming to the 4 day time frame, that is 4 hour time frame. You can see how the 4 hour time frame is looking. So I prefer turning it landscape so that I will see it better. Right? So if you don't have a laptop, you can still use your phone and be managing to trade, to analyze your trade. But if it's me, I would have preferred you use your laptop to analyze your charts. But if you don't have a laptop, use your phone. But now the phone screen is very small, so you struggle with seeing this thing clearly, right? But if you don't have a laptop, you can manage your phone. Night bad pass. So just manage your phone like that. So I've basically shown you the most basic things that you need in your trading as a forex trader, right? All the things I've shown you now are the things that you need. Anything that I've not shown you, that means you don't really need it. Okay, if it's maybe you're asking for indicator, let me turn it back. Maybe I've not shown you one more thing, which is what? Indicator. Maybe you want to add indicator to your chart. How do you add an indicator? So you come to the bottom right hand, you see these 3 dots here, or no, just come to the bottom left hand, you see this one here, bottom. Are you seeing it? Indicators. So just click it. Now once you click that indicator, now you are going to see different indicators here. So let's say we use this BB trend. We just click it. So we have clicked it. We just come and cancel. So now it's loading. Are you seeing the BB trend showing down here now? Let's add another indicator. Just click here now. So once you click it, let's say we want to add moving average. You can type it here, moving average. So let's use moving average exponential. This one here, moving average exponential. Just click cancel. You will now see it. It's loading. Are you seeing it now? So I've added 2 indicators now. Are you seeing them here? Now let me delete. When you want to delete it, the top left hand. Just come to the top left hand. You see EMA. Just delete EMA. I've deleted that one. If you press, are you seeing that I've added the EMA back? So I deleted it, EMA, then I press undo to undo it. So it is now going to be added back. I see redo, bottom right hand, undo is going to be added back, right? Undo and redo. So let me delete the both of them now. Click this one, delete this one. So that's how to add your indicators. I don't know if there's anything that is basic that I've not shown you yet. I think I've tried. Now look at this one here now. It's candlestick, right? But you don't really need this one. This is bar. Now if you look at your candle, I see it's not bar. It's no longer candlestick. But if I come here now again and I change it to candlestick, I see it's not candlestick. Come here, change it to, let's say, line. It's not line. Come here, change it. So normally you use candlestick. So it's candlestick that you need. So if there's anything that I've not shown you and you want to know, you can let me know in the comment section, right? I might decide to make a video on that. So any question you have, you ask me. Any confusion you have, ask me in the comment section. Then if you want to learn forex trading and you don't know how to learn forex trading, I advise you, don't go to YouTube and start learning forex trading from YouTube. YouTube videos are not aimed at teaching you forex trading from beginner to advanced level, right? You need a step-by-step course that will guide you through a step-by-step training from total beginner to a pro. So I will leave a recommended course in the description of this video. That course that is titled Learn Forex Trading Properly, free and paid. So click the one you want and learn forex trading. Don't just come here and start analyzing what you don't know. You go on YouTube, learn one or two strategy, come and analyze it here, then go and place buy, and you are losing money. If you buy a course, your money will go, but you will gain knowledge. But if you come to forex and start losing money, you will not just lose money, even your brain, your emotion will be affected. So it's better you spend money on buying a course. Buying a course is an investment, right? When you buy that course, you gain knowledge, right? It's better you buy the course and you gain knowledge than to come here and be doing guesswork and be losing your money. Because in forex you must lose money, but when you gain knowledge, you reduce the risk of losing money. So if you want to learn forex trading properly, click the link in the description of this video and you see the title Learn Forex Properly, and you get the course. And I will see you in the next video. Remember, if you have any question, ask in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, please ensure that you subscribe, like this video, comment, share it to your friends and loved ones, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video.